Have you ever felt overwhelmed with negative emotions? What if there was a way to transform that energy into pure compassion, love, and peace? What if I told you there's an ancient practice that can unlock your heart and mind to connect with the world in ways you never thought possible? Curious to know more? Welcome back to Getting Ready for the Golden Age channel. Today we're diving into a powerful meditation practice, Metta Meditation. Stay with me as we unfold the hidden benefits of this practice that could change your life forever. Before we move on, hit that subscribe button and let's continue on this mystery of Metta Meditation. But hold on, what exactly is Metta Meditation and why is it so powerful? Well, Metta Meditation is often called loving kindness meditation. It's an ancient practice originating in Buddhism, but its benefits go far beyond any one tradition or belief system. Imagine for a moment sending thoughts of love and compassion to everyone you know, your family, your friends, and even those you struggle with. Doesn't that sound powerful? But here's the big question. Why does it work? And how can it possibly improve your life? When you practice Metta Meditation, you're not just meditating for your own peace. You're actively cultivating love, compassion, and goodwill for others. This practice is like planting seeds of kindness, seeds that grow, transforming your relationships, and, most importantly, your own mind. The question is, who all has benefited from this? Studies show that even those who experience deep emotional wounds, people struggling with stress, anxiety, or anger, have documented profound changes in their lives when practicing Metta. It's like magic, but it's not. It's science. Now, what about the how? How do you practice Metta Meditation? Well, it's simple. You start by sitting in a quiet place, closing your eyes and focusing on your breath. Then you begin repeating phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I live with ease." These phrases are then extended to loved ones, acquaintances, and even those you may have conflicts with. Can you see the picture here? Imagine replacing all those negative emotions with pure love, forgiveness, and understanding. Doesn't that feel lighter already? Now, here's the kicker. When you begin practicing Metta, you'll notice something unexpected. It changes your brain. Studies show that it increases activity in the areas of the brain responsible for empathy, while decreasing those that generate fear and negativity. So, the next time you're stuck in a stressful situation, you can tap into this newfound calmness. Let's bring this back to something we can all relate to. Have you ever noticed how negative thoughts seem to spiral out of control? One bad thought leads to another, and before you know it, your whole day feels like a storm. Now, imagine reversing that, using the power of Metta Meditation to calm the storm and redirect your energy towards love and compassion. That's a tool for real-life transformation. Wouldn't you agree? But here's the real question. Who can benefit from this? Is it for everyone? Yes, Metta is not limited to one group. Whether you're dealing with stress at work, family struggles, or just looking for more inner peace, Metta Meditation can work for you. It's about tapping into something that connects us all, our shared humanity. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how can I get started? Well, you can begin right now. No cost, no charges. Just find a quiet space, set your intentions, and start practicing. But if you're looking for more structured guidance, there are many resources out there, some paid, some free. It's accessible for anyone with the right mindset. Before I reveal the final secret about Metta Meditation, make sure to hit that subscribe button now, because what I'm about to share could change everything. The ultimate benefit of Metta Meditation is its ability to change the energy around you. When you start cultivating love and kindness towards others, it has a ripple effect. People around you will begin to mirror that energy. Your work environment becomes more peaceful, your relationships become more harmonious, and the world, in a way, becomes a kinder place. Doesn't that sound like the perfect antidote to the chaos around us? This is the power of Metta. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried Metta Meditation? What changes have you noticed in your life? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know your experiences. And remember, don't miss our next video where we'll be diving into even more secrets about manifesting love, peace, and success in your life. So, stay tuned for more mysteries waiting to be uncovered.